Hi everyone, welcome to Ede Yoruba TV.
So it's now be 285, 295. So 285 will now be, we said 280 the other time is Orinleluba. So when we say Orinleluba ó lé márùn, you can say Orinleluba ó lé márùn. You can say àádọ́wàá dín ó lé lúgba ó dín márùn. Orinleluba ó lé márùn. Is either of the two. Let me write it. You can say 200 plus 80 plus 80. That is 200. 280. You can say 280. 280 minus, okay, 290 minus 5. Or you say 200 plus 90 minus 5. That is, when you remove 5 minus 90 now here, what is 90? Àádọ́wàá. So you can say àádọ́wàá lé lúgba ó dín márùn. This is it. Àádọ́wàá lé lúgba ó dín márùn. Àádọ́wàá ó lé lúgba ó dín márùn. Ó dín márùn. So this one is 295. So you can just say, we are going to ọdún, which is 300. Ọdún, you can just say ọdún ó dín márùn. Ọdún ó dín márùn. Márùndínlọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. So either of the two. 300 minus 5. So you can say ọdún dín márùn. Or you say márùndínlọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Márùndínlọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Likewise, when you are writing 305, it will become márùnlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Márùnlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún, 300, but you now say 300 plus 10 minus 5. When you are talking, you just say márùnlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún, but anything that is 5, when you are writing it down, so it will now be mẹ́wàálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún. Ẹ̀wálélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún. That is why you are going to say it. So márùnlé àwọn sọ ọdún lé mẹ́wàá ó dín márùn. Ọdún lé mẹ́wàá ó dín márùn. Ó dín márùn. Or you just say ọdún ó lé márùn. Ọdún ó lé márùn. Either of the two. You say ọdún ó lé márùn. So we also have 310, 315, 325, 335. We also have it. 315, 325. 335. So 315 now will now be oko only, like the one we did in 2 the other time in 215. So this one will now be 300 plus 20 minus 5. So it's now become ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé okòó. You know, I said that 20 is oko. 20 is oko. So we now say 315 we now ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé okòó ó dín márùn-ún. And this one is also 300 plus 30 minus 5. So this one will now be, we can say ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé lọ́gbọ̀n ó dín márùn-ún. Ó lé lọ́gbọ̀n ó dín márùn-ún. But what we say now is that okòó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún. Okòó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. Okòó ó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. Okòó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. But maybe you are talking just for more understanding. You can just say ọgbọ̀n. And what is that ọgbọ̀n? We said 30. We said 30. That is 30. 300 plus 30 minus 10. So you can say ọgbọ̀n ó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. So or you say okòó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. Okòó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. Or you say, when you are talking, you just say ọgbọ̀n lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín mẹ́wàá. So 335 is also that 300 plus 40 minus 5. So it will now become òjì lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún. So this one now be 345. 345 will now be, you know, this one is 45. When you remove it from 50, that is àádọ́ta. So we can also say òjìlé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. It's still the same thing. It's either of the two. 300 plus 40 plus 5. Or you say 300 plus 50 minus 5. Either of the two. So we can write it down that òjì lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó lé márùn-ún. Either of the two, you just say, maybe you are just counting something or you are doing any other thing, you just say àádọ́ta ó lé lọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún. So the other time I stopped at 400. So this one now, to rounding it up, is now 400 that we mentioned the other time, that is irinwó. So when we say 355 márùndínlọ́ọ̀ọ́ta lé ní ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún ọ̀tàlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún 375 it will be ọ̀rìnlélọ́ọ̀ọ́dúnrún ó dín márùn-ún. Now 300 I want to make it up. I want to make it up to 400. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n parí ẹ̀ fún mi. 355, 365. I want to write it 375. That is what I'm saying. So this one will now be